Imagine stepping into the mind of a woman who never gives up, who trains not just for looks but for life itself. Today, we pulling back the curtain on 7 powerful truths every fit girl swears by. Revealed. Raw, real secrets that keep women strong, consistent, and confident even on the hardest days. This isn't about perfect bodies or flawless Instagram feeds. It's about what really drives the women who don't just work out. They live fit. So stay with me until the very end, because these truths might just change the way you see your own journey forever. Let's start with the first powerful truth. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Fit girls know that missing a workout or eating a slice of cake doesn't erase their progress. What matters most isn't being perfect, it's showing up again and again, no matter what happened yesterday. They embrace the idea that small, steady effort adds up over time. When life gets messy, when motivation runs dry, they fall back on habits, not hype. And that's why they keep moving forward when everyone else stops. The second truth, strong is always better than skinny. Forget the old myth that women should shrink themselves. Fit girls know that real power comes from building strength, both inside and out. They train to lift heavier, run further, and live better. Not just to fit into smaller jeans. This mindset shift changes everything. Workouts stop feeling like punishment and become a celebration of what the body can do. And the best part, confidence doesn't come from the number on a scale, but from the thrill of seeing what you're truly capable of. Now, the third truth, rest isn't weakness. It's strategy. Outsiders might see rest days as laziness, but fit girls understand recovery is when growth happens. They protect sleep like it's gold, stretch to stay flexible, and schedule downtime without guilt. Overtraining only leads to injury and burnout. And these women know that long-term fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. By listening to their bodies and prioritizing recovery, they stay stronger, healthier, and happier in the long run. Moving on to the fourth truth. Food is fuel, not punishment. Fit girls reject diet culture's toxic messages. They don't starve themselves to chase unrealistic ideals. Instead, they nourish their bodies with balance and intention. They know that carbs power workouts, proteins repair muscles, and even treats can have a place when enjoyed mindfully. This isn't about rigid rules, but about respect, understanding what the body needs and honoring it without guilt or fear. The fifth truth every fit girl swears by, progress takes patience. And that's okay. Transformations don't happen overnight. Fit girls track milestones over months and years, not days. They understand that setbacks happen, but quitting guarantees failure. Instead of chasing quick results, they stay committed to the journey, finding pride in small wins that build into bigger victories. They trust the process, knowing that real change is slow but deeply rewarding. The sixth truth, comparison is poison. In a world obsessed with highlight reels, fit girls focus on themselves, not strangers on the internet. They measure progress by their own standards, feeling stronger, lifting more, running faster. This mindset shields them from jealousy and keeps the focus on what truly matters, becoming the best version of themselves. Supporting others becomes easier too, because someone else's success doesn't threaten their own. Finally, the seventh truth. Fitness starts in the mind, not the gym. Motivation fades, but discipline and self-belief carry them through. Fit girls learn to quiet self-doubt, set realistic goals, and celebrate progress instead of perfection. They train their minds to see failure as feedback, not defeat. This mental strength often becomes their greatest asset, helping them face challenges in fitness and in life beyond the gym walls. These 7 truths aren't just rules, they're a way of living. Together, they build a foundation that keeps fit girls strong, balanced, and resilient no matter what life throws at them. And what's amazing is you don't have to be born with this mindset. You can build it one choice, one workout, and one meal at a time. So now I want to ask you, which truth resonated with you the most? Was it the power of consistency, the courage to rest, or the freedom of seeing food as fuel? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your words might inspire someone else who needs it today. And if you found even a spark of motivation in this video, imagine what could happen if you keep feeding that spark. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss videos packed with real talk, practical tips, and honest motivation. The kind that helps you keep going when the hype wears off. Together, let's build a community where fitness isn't about punishment, shame, or competition, but about strength, balance, and living life fully. You've got this. And remember, every rep, every meal, and every moment of self-belief brings you closer to the strongest, happiest version of yourself. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Fit fam. Stay strong, stay real, and keep moving forward, one powerful truth at a time.